Hello traders, and welcome to another educational video brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, welcome to the Market Open Preview, May 20th on a Tuesday, 2014. It's great to have you with me. I am William Gilday, and I will be your moderator today through the educational video. And we will go over some currency pairs, some news events, and hopefully set up some trade plans for the next two trading sessions. Traders, just a little bit about myself. I am a Forex trader from the year of 2006 when I started part-time. In 2008, I retired from the Fire Rescue Department in the lovely state of Florida in the United States. 9 days after I retired, I got on the Big Bird and came to Thailand for a vacation. And traders, I have not left. This is paradise. Great place to retire, traders. All right. So, just a little bit about myself, and I have to tell you, traders, I absolutely love what I do. Trading is fun, it's exciting, it takes hard work, and you get great rewards when you do the hard work. But trading is really a great career, and I wish all of you the best in your endeavors. All right, let's take a look at some news, but hold on, let's get to the legal stuff. Traders, this is our risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential of rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, if you are trading your spending money and your expense money for the week or the month to trade, please rethink that and sit back and open a demo account until you can trade the Forex markets comfortably in your financial situation. Your trading will show much improvement. All right, traders, let's go over to the news events, May 20th. Only one big news event today, and that is the Great British Pound has CPI year on year. That is a high impact news event. However, before we move on, let us take a look at the electronic trading overnight. So the S&P 500 futures is down negative 0.02%. The NASDAQ 100 futures is up 0.03%. The Dow 30 is up 0.12%. And the DAX is up 0.31%. Nice move. And the FTSE 100 is down 0.16%. The Nikkei, which is currently trading now, live in the markets, is up 0.76%, with the dollar index flat at 0.00%. That is a look at the electronic trading overnight. All right, traders, I think it's time. What do you say? Let us take a look at the charts. All right, traders, let's go to one of our commodity trading pairs today, and let's take a look at the Aussie dollar. Traders, this is the Aussie dollar daily chart, and you can see, traders, that we are looking right at a trend line that I placed on the chart. It's a 4-touch trend line, and it is a valid trend line when I look at it. And we're looking, it's been in a sideways price action for quite some time. But that's a lot of pips there, traders, so no fear of that. I'm looking to see if this breaks this trend line at the end of today's trading session, or will it bounce off this trend line and continue to the upside. However, for the last 5 days, we've had low lows and lower highs. So my bias for today's trading is I'm looking for short trades. Take a look at your Williams R percentage indicator on the bottom of the chart, and that baby is pointed straight down. The MACD we really don't want to look at. We're in a ranging motion, not a trending motion. So therefore, nothing to look there. Keep an eye on the Williams R percentage indicator as we move forward. All right, traders, let's go over to the Aussie dollar, and this is the 1 hour chart. We were able to set up a nice trade plan on this chart. We're going to basically wait for a pullback to 0.9330 area, and we're going to take this trade down to the 161.8 take profit area. Our stop is right below the 200 exponential moving average, which is the green line on the chart, and is now sitting at 0.9349 price. Alright, so that is a trade on the 1 hour chart. I really like this trade plan. If you look at the arrow to go short at that 93.28 price and look to the left, you will see that that fib has been totally respected in the past and it's been rejected. So I am looking for this to pull back and we can get a nice trade, hopefully at the London Open. Alright, traders, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. This is our 15-minute chart. I know, traders, it is a different time frame. It looks identical to the 1 hour chart. However, our drawdown is less as it is the 15-minute chart. Look at this, traders. Let's wait for the pullback. Same situation. Look left of the chart. You can see where price was rejected. It rested there, then continued down. Now it's coming back up. Let's see what happens. You can see our 200 exponential moving average is at 93.46 on this chart. So we want this to pull back, come up to that 93.15 area, and let's take this short down again to the 161.8 Fibonacci level for our take profit with our stop below the 200 exponential moving average. Nice chart, nice trade plan. I'm enjoying this. I think this is going to work out very nice. Traders, let's go over to the Euro New Zealand daily chart. You could say I stuck a line in there just indicating that this trend is bearish on the daily chart. We can see that we had many days of bearish price action. Looks like we're just doing a little pullback action here, and I would expect this to come back down to the bearish side. So I'm looking for sell trades on the Euro New Zealand. So let's go over and take a look at the 1 hour chart. This is the 1 hour chart. I did stick a trend line in this, and then we have the 200 exponential moving average. Again, being that green line on the chart, and that is sitting at 1.5901 or 5900 to make it easy. Psychological level, 200 exponential moving average. I would think we could get a close to the downside here and get a bearish candlestick formation and take this short. What is the problem here, traders? The problem is we have an adequate trend line here. It's a 4-touch trend line, and if you take this short at the 200 exponential moving average, you're coming right into support. Don't like that. I think I'd rather wait for this to break the trend line, retest the trend line, and then short. I think that would be a better trade plan on this 1 hour chart. Okay, traders, let's move over to the 15-minute chart. This is the 15-minute chart on the Euro New Zealand. And traders, this was a hard trade plan to come up with. Basically, I put a trend line here. It's a 2-touch trend line, and which in my book is weak. I like a 3-touch, and we're going to have to do the same thing. We're going to have to wait for this to break that trend line, retest it, and take it short from that position and look to come down to the 1.5873 of the exponential moving average 200 and take our profit there. I don't necessarily like the 15-minute trade setup as much as I like the 1 hour trade setup. I think the 1 hour trade setup is more stable. I'm not liking the 15-minute as much, but it will give us a trading opportunity to take this short on both time frames. And if you do trade the daily chart, there is an opportunity there, but I just don't think you're going to get it today. We need to find on that daily chart some bearish candlesticks and some weakening of the bulls. All right, that wraps up our currency pair charts. And traders, on behalf of myself and FXCL Excellence in Trading, I would like to thank you so much for joining me today. And traders, remember to trade safe and trade smart. Traders, we bring to you the Market Open preview every day before the London Open. Traders, have a great trading day. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care and bye-bye.